the conjugation of the verb avoir. So this is one of the two most common verbs in the entire French language, and it's also one where multiple of our later conjugations, so looking at our past tense conjugations, our future tense conjugations, etc., they're all going to depend on how well you know the verb avoir. So it's really, really, really important that you learn these 6 really well. So starting off with I have, j'ai. And remember, it's not je, a. We have to contract them together because a is, of course, beginning with a vowel. J'ai. You have, tu as. He, she, one has, il, elle, on a. Okay, I did go ahead and put this all in one line just for ease, but of course, hopefully, you remember that of course all of these are using the exact same conjugation interchangeably. So he has, il a, she has, elle a, one has, on a. We have, nous avons. So remember, we have that liaison between the nous and the avons, since avons begins with a vowel. So we're going to smash the two words together and pronounce the S on the end of nous like a Z, nous avons. But we completely ignore the S on the end of avons because, well, especially when we're just doing our verb conjugations, there's nothing to follow it to liaison with, and it's not a careful letter. Same thing with our other you have, vous avez. We have another liaison between the vous and the avez, vous avez. Remember, an EZ makes an A sound, vous avez. And then finally, they have il and elle, okay? Il, elles ont. There's yet another liaison here. All 3 plurals on avoir use liaison. It's especially important on they have because that liaison is the main thing differentiating between they have and they are. So here we have ils ont, elles ont. That liaison forms that Z sound in the middle, and that's going to be extremely important. Finally, remember when we write it in our conjugation charts, you can choose to include the subject pronouns if you want to. However, since the subject pronouns always go in the exact same place on the charts, you don't actually have to. If you want to, go for it. Okay? However, I will always write them without, as seen in the example on the screen. Please make sure that you have both the I have, you have, etc., lines filled out, as well as your conjugation charts in your unit packet.